Dear mamas and daughters, I'm Grace Esibu. I'm Grace Esibu. I am one of the students sponsored by Mama Gyasi. On behalf of my friends, we are presenting this little gift to Mama Gyasi for the good and hard work she's been doing for us. May God richly bless her and give her long life, and also help her to achieve her heart desire. We all say thank you. Yadawasi. Merci beaucoup.
I want
to say something to your mom. We're going to ask that each one of her children wants to send a greeting.
My name is Christian and I'm coming to say my prayer. Let's educate ourselves in Africa. With education, success and prosperity is ours, from Cape to Cairo. Let's educate our children as they will shape Africa tomorrow. All children must go to school, despite their sex. Being a girl child does not mean being disabled. Parents, guardians, let's educate all children as they will shape the economy of Africa. Thank you.
My name is Gyasi. My promise, I am black because I am an African. God created me so. I will never change my color. Black is beautiful. I am proud of it. Thank you.
So we can say, we'll say one or two things.
Let me just.
Work she's been doing.
Miss Gyasi. Hey, my sister. Oh, Peppy. Just want to say that we miss you, that your students are doing very well. These are some gifts that they have sent for you. We hope that you'll enjoy them. But we hope that next year that we'll see you. We'd love to see your face around the place. Ashe?
Yes, Miss Gyasi.
Thank you.